your ears, folks. This is going to get exciting. He's going to wind this 3-cylinder Yamaha street bike motor up. He's going to bring it down here. It's probably going to break 12,000 RPM, somewhere in that range. It's going to rev right up to the moon. It's going to make all kinds of noise and horsepower, put the traction to the ground. Here he comes right now, Mr. Todd Napoleon, Hillbilly Deluxe. Just a reminder, this is a Children's Hospital Eastern Ontario charity event, so we do have a couple of folks.
Anything you bring.
Alrighty, so this, folks, is completely different. This is a 283 cubic inch Chevrolet motor in a Cub Cadet frame. And this gentleman came here from Canada. We wouldn't normally let him in this class to compete as a normal regular competitor. We would, however, let him come out here to the children. I want everybody to be aware that you may need to move, because this one can get going a little more quickly, and which means he can lose control a little more quickly. Our driver's going to be very cautious, very safe, and he's going to have all kinds of fun. That's the main thing. He'll have all kinds of fun. This class is your 1,100-pound modified class. The rules say that you can't have any more than 700 cc's of a two-stroke motor or 1,300 cc's of a four-stroke. Alright, so this is an automatic transmission, folks. You just give it the gas and it goes. There's no putting it in gear, there's no engaging a clutch, there's no letting anything out or choosing anything. It automatically gears itself up and down. You just basically have to give it the throttle, same as a snowmobile. Alright, here, then we're going to engage the gear with the clutch. Here we go. Under no circumstances. It's called irrational behavior for a very good reason. Sometimes he gets a great pull down the track, and other times this machine flips and flops and goes all over the place and does